We have an assembly here consisting of a top housing and a bottom housing. These have been created as two components. Let's try to create a lip and groove feature. We shall create a lip on the bottom housing. Let's go to the browser. Hide the top housing and activate the bottom housing. Create a sketch on this face. Select the Offset tool and pick on the internal edge. Adjust the offset thickness according to how thick you need the lip to be. Exit the sketch. Pick on the contour. Start the Extrude tool and extrude to the required height. If we unhide the top housing and look at the cross section, we can see that our next step is to create a groove for the lip. Now, we can certainly create a sketch on the top housing and make an extruded cut to create the groove. But we can do this in a more dynamic fashion. Let's use the existing lip feature as a tool to cut into the top housing. Now that we are editing the top housing, let's activate it. Go to Modify, Combine. The Combine feature is normally associated with the joining of bodies, but it can actually be used to cut bodies as well. In this case, the target body will be the top housing. The tool body will be the bottom housing, where the lip has been created. Change the operation to Cut. We need to check the Keep Tools box so that the bottom housing remains after the operation. We can hide the bottom housing to check that the groove has indeed been created. From here, we can make adjustments to the lip and groove feature by going to Modify, Offset Face. For example, we can create a vanity recess by pulling back on this surface slightly.